What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this Best Choice Products 6-foot snow flocked artificial Christmas tree. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this tree, including one thing that you should know before buying. So we're testing out which Christmas tree to get for our family, and this is one of them that we had just set up, and it's actually really nice. I think it's really good. I like the fact that it's snow flocked. Anytime that you see something like that, which just basically means it has the white on here, it usually looks really full, and this one is no exception to that. It looks great. Now, in terms of the things to know, super easy to set up. Basically, you do the base, section C, B, and A. Super simple to do. And then after you set it up, this is the hard part. You have to actually kind of fluff it out, which basically means just, push and spread the branches, if you will. If we go around the corner here, I may be able to find one. I don't know if I have many that aren't fluffed too well. Well, basically they come to you and they're kind of, like that, like all pushed together, if you will, like that. And then just fluffing is pushing them out. But I pretty much fluffed this one all the way around. It's a 6-foot tree. So it's not all, way too big or whatever. So I was able to fluff it out. In total, I'd say it probably took me about 20 minutes to fluff this one out to make it look this way. And like I said, looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it overall. So this particular one, the 6-footer, has 928 tips. So basically tips to the branches overall. And it also has 250 lights. And like I said, it looks really good. Let me go ahead and turn it to the dark here so you can see it, when it is dark. So that's it with a darker look. You can adjust the lights however you need. If, they already have the strings kind of pre-wired for you, which is just awesome. It saves a huge headache, but that's what it looks like when it's darker. So yeah, guys, overall, super nice, super easy tree. Doesn't come in a huge box, which is nice as well, easy to store. But yeah, definitely recommend this one if you are considering it. Love the fact that it's snow flocked. Love the fact that it is pre-lit. And also love the fact that it doesn't take up a ton of space in the garage. So if you're considering it, definitely we do recommend and hope you enjoy.